Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Bianca. Today I have some really fun Valentine's ice cream theme Dollar Tree DIYs. Try to say that fast. Alright, so for the first one, I'm taking this 5-pack of wooden hearts from Dollar Tree and I'm just going to paint it pink. I'm using these Walmart letters that were a little over $1, and I'm going to spell out toppings on it and 10 cents. Since this is an ice cream themed Valentine's video, and the reason for that is because Dollar Tree just came out with ice cream themed figurines for a fairy garden, and when I seen the figurines I thought, oh my god, perfect for a tier tray. It is just so adorable. Once I figured out the placement of everything, then I glued down the figurine at the bottom. Now I'm just using some ribbon that I had to create a little bow and to cover up that hole at the top. Please excuse my nails. I had them done recently, maybe a few weeks ago, and now that they're off, my nails are so sensitive. They're like paper thin, and not sure why, but my grandma and my mom did advise me to start using some vitamins for my nails. So if you have any recommendations, please let me know. For this next one, I picked up this really cute fairy garden piece from Dollar Tree. Super adorable. And I'm actually going to make a sign out of it. I also already had the 3-pack of galvanized words, including this one that says XOXO. And what I'm going to do is take my chiffon chalk paint and paint it. I did about 3 coats to completely cover it. Now I'm using my hot glue gun to glue that down. And you can see the 2 packages of Dollar Tree hearts. I'm going to use those as well on here. Super easy. And remember guys, these items can be placed anywhere. It doesn't have to be on a tiered tray. The lollipops at the top, this little purple gazebo type house, and the little ice cream on the right hand side, those are 2 separate figurines. Those were all from Dollar Tree. Alright, so for this third DIY, I'm actually going to be making some fake ice cream with this Dollar Tree caulk. I only found 2 of them, which sucks because I didn't have enough. But I'm going to show you all of my mistakes. That way when you do it, if you decide to do this, you can make it look prettier, because mine kind of turned out looking like a parfait, which still came out adorable. But I will show you exactly what you need to do so yours looks better. I ended up putting that whole bottle of caulk inside of this little bowl, and I decided to do that because, as you can see, I'm mixing red and blue together because I wanted to make like a purplish lavender color, which it didn't turn out like that. It turned out more of a pink. I think it's because I used a really light blue. So now I'm going to be putting it inside of this plastic cup, which I picked up a 5-pack from Dollar Tree. They're really cute. Now you don't need the ice cream scooper. I had thought this was going to be a little thicker, which it's more of a like toothpaste consistency. On this step, what you need to do, which I do a little bit later, you need to put something inside of the cup in the middle. That way all you have to do is place the fake ice cream inside of the cup, just on the outside, and you'll understand what I mean in a minute. So you see how that one bottle gave me just a tiny bit of fake ice cream inside of the cup? It would have gave me much more if I had something inside in the middle. Now I'm going to do a layer of fake whipped cream. They have a piping set at Dollar Tree, but I didn't pick one up because I thought I had some here at home, but I couldn't find it. So this part will definitely look more like whipped cream if you use the little pipe to make it come out like whipped cream. Now, as you can see, I start to realize, oh, well, if I put this just on the sides of the cup, I don't waste as much. Now I'm mixing yellow and blue together to give me a green color, and I did take out the pipe and tip that I did have that I could find, but it doesn't really matter. It came out the same as if I would have used a Ziploc bag and cut a hole at the bottom. So this is when I realized I should have added something in the middle. That way I wouldn't have wasted so much. So I do go ahead and put that in there, and you see how it gives me so much more. So yeah, it does look, you know, kind of cute, more like a parfait. So now what I'm gonna do is just take the rest of the white caulk and put it on the top to make it look like whipped cream. Again, pick up the piping set from Dollar Tree. That way you can use that cute little tip that makes it look like whipped cream. Maybe I was blind, known you forever while I tried to find someone that could be my great love. Right in front. Of course, my little girl wanted to help out. She thought this whole thing was so cute. So I picked up a bottle of sprinkles from Dollar Tree and she sprinkled it on top of that. My kids are old enough to know that this is fake. If you make this with your kiddos, make sure they know that this is not edible. For the fourth DIY, I'm taking another one of those round fairy garden pieces and making a cupcake stand out of it. So very simple again. I'm using a Dollar Tree candle holder and I'm just hot gluing it to the bottom. Now, as always, use a heavy duty glue if you really want this to last. What I did was add 2 of the Dollar Tree ice cream figurines on top of that, and then I took one of those foam hearts and stuck it to the front. On to the 5th DIY. I'm using a bigger wooden heart from Dollar Tree. I also have those 2 packages on the side because I wasn't sure what heart I wanted to use. I'm taking another galvanized letter from there as well, and I'm going to put that on the front. And what I did was take blue and red again to create a pink color. Once I do that, I add some of the chiffon paint to that to line it up. Then I'm mixing some blue and red together to give me a purple color, and again I add some of the chiffon to that to line it up. And the reason why I'm mixing all these paints together, guys, is because I really don't use pink and purples, so I just mix paint together. I'm also mixing all of that up on top of this plastic grocery bag because I don't really like to dirty the brown background for you guys. I don't want it to look crazy messy, so I try not to get it so dirty with paint. And while those hearts are drying, I'm painting the galvanized word with my chiffon paint. And just adding a little bit of detail to those hearts. I'm gluing everything down now, and then I'm taking 3 of the foam hearts and using those to cover up the little holes on the wooden hearts. For the 6th and final DIY of today, I'm taking 2 wooden hearts and the same paint I made earlier. I'm painting 1 pink and 1 purple, And the inspiration for this came from the Valentine's candy hearts. So I am going to use the little black sticker letters on the side that I have been having for a really long time. And I'm gonna write out "Be Mine" on one and "Kiss Me" on the other. Now I'm using some old pink ribbon and making 2 bows to cover up the holes at the top. Alright, so this is my setup I did. Now again, all of this can be put anywhere in your house. It doesn't have to be on a tiered tray. I decided to go a little overboard for this DIY because I am actually very girly and I love this type of stuff. I just normally do farmhouse decor on YouTube, but I love going out of my comfort zone here on YouTube. So here at the bottom, I added some of this pink and white baker's twine that I have had for a long time. The lollipops and the little ice cream RV, I think I told you earlier, is from Dollar Tree. The little pink vase in the back is from Target Dollar Spot a while back. I also added some of those foam hearts on my tiered tray. And I also added doilies to the bottom just to bring out the white color. But I do love all of this decor on the black tiered tray. Everything on here is from Dollar Tree, including that cute little walkway, except for the pink glass vase with roses. And the hearts that are sticking out of that, I have been having for a really long time. To the left of that is my cute little cupcake stand. I have a doily right there with a little ceramic heart that I've had for a while from the Target Dollar Spot. And then I have the 2 same figurines from earlier that I showed you on here. And then to the left of that, I have some roses inside of a little vase that is thrifted. Behind there, you will see a Target Dollar Spot sign that I've had for a couple years. I have a doily right here with the DIY heart and a Target Dollar Spot vase that I've had for a while with some more roses and hearts. And then here goes my little DIY sign. Behind there, I have a cake stand with the other DIY and ice cream figurine. Alright, you guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and I will see you guys in the next video. Curious, when did you know